no idea what's happening to me, sir. I really need your guidance. And all my past thoughts, everything is coming into my head. Of course, I have been on a hunt for a long time to rectify my life from my childhood till now. And I'm suffering, sir. I tried even getting the PVH, the one, the affirmation. I'm only using all E from the downloaded version. Everything I'm doing, everything is not happening. I'm getting so frustrated from inside, sir. The more I'm trying, the more trouble I'm getting into. I don't know why, sir. I know this is the answer, but I just can't get through this, sir. I really need help, sir.
Okay. How you called me sometime back. I forgot about it. When was you called me?
If I'm not mistaken, I have spoken to you, I think about 15 days back, sir.
Okay, what did we discuss about? What did I tell you?
We have discussed about my ex, my daughter's father, who has did some black magic and all. We have elevated. You have helped me elevate certain things.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Daughter is with you?
My daughter is in the other room right now.
You're working. You're working and you're fine. You're financially okay.
No, I have totally lost everything because my ex has made a mess. Not ex-husband, but my ex-boyfriend, and it went into a mess in 2019. So I'm totally in a mess. I'm trying to sort out even with him. Until now, he's missing for a year, saying because his ex-wife came back, so-called wife. I'm in a mess, sir, and he just told me to wait, and I'm waiting. I have lost one child with him also. So I'm in a mess, sir. I have no idea what should I be doing. I felt some senses in the house. I'm still feeling it at times, like somebody is at the back of me in this new house I moved in. Nobody knows I'm staying here. Even though now also I'm very unwell. My BP is falling constantly, and I'm drinking salt water and sugar water to keep my BP maintained. My daughter is not comfortable staying with me because she's staying with me after so many years. Probably that is the reason. I'm trying to please her. I'm trying to give her education in the house, in all these situations. So I'm not able to. I feel I'm not this weak a person. I have been fighting my life since I'm a kid, even with my mom. But I can't handle it anymore, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. Don't worry. How old are you now?
I'm 36.
Okay, who's living with you? Who's living with you? Father, you, or no? Nobody else. Just you and daughter.
My dad passed away 9 years back, and most of my trouble started from the day he passed away. I'm alone with my daughter.
How are you surviving? Going to work? Going to work?
So far, I've lost everything. I was self-employed in India, and I lost everything because my business was together with my ex-boyfriend. Gone, everything gone, sir. And he just told me that, wait, we will sort things out. And he said, he has never cheated me. I know he was in trouble. I know a lot of things. And I'm still waiting, hoping that things will be better. And I really hope things will be better. So because everybody knows him, I can't face anybody anymore. I have troubles from every angle, sir. Every angle. I don't know what to do. I can't trust anyone anymore. I feel like everything is just going out of hand, and it's gone. I'm trying to gather it back. I'm really trying to gather things back, but it's getting tougher and tougher. Even though I keep myself, I'm getting better and better daily, but really, it's really tough.
Okay, don't worry. No, it's okay. Don't talk about the past. Can you not talk about the past? Can you survive on your own? Can you survive?
It's very tough, sir. It's really tough right now.
You're paying rent for the house?
Yes, I'm paying rent for the house.
Can you manage all those? Can you manage all of those things?
Probably I will be able to manage. I'm trying to get into new things, but it is just not working. I'm really trying my best to start new items, new business, go on with my dream project, but everywhere there is a hurdle. Being cheated, being trying. People are really trying every angle. Promises, projects, this, that, and at the end of the day, everybody is just saying, you follow what I say. Just because I'm a single mom, I'm a woman, I have to save myself every time, sir. I'm really, really tired, sir. From India to Malaysia to Italy to China, I have done work everywhere, but right now, I feel like I'm so useless already. And I just don't know who to go and speak to. I can't forgive myself. I feel like I'm just being used and thrown. I just feel like, and now even though I'm trying to rectify so many things, when I'm trying to rectify, my daughter's telling me, she's so rebellious that I'm not born from you. I'm not this. Send me back to my grandmother's house. This, that. She's not happy staying with me. I'm still trying. I don't know, sir. I don't have anyone in my life anymore.
No, it's okay. Don't keep on saying that. Don't look at the box. Okay, now, hold on. Now let's analyze you. Okay. Right now, did you sit for the blessing just now?
Yes, sir, I did. Even then, my phone, my equipment shut down, and I couldn't on it back. And I had to rush for the laptop and on it so that I can follow. I started listening when the screen changed to the blessing for prosperity. But the water, it was just halfway through. I was holding the water in my hand, but I had a pause in between, and I completed the blessing.
Okay, do you have a healing wand with you?
No, sir. Even I tried getting it from Shopee, but I can't find it on Shopee. I have called Punita ma'am in Seremban. I've called Subra sir, also Subra ma'am. Subra sir gave me Punita ma'am's number and all those things, but it's just somehow I'm not able to access to the word.
Okay, hold on. What did Punita say?
Punita ma'am said that she can drop it across because I'm totally stuck at home. I can't go out, and she says she's worried to come out because she may have contacted with COVID positive people, so she doesn't want to risk others. So we suggested that I buy from Shopee, but Shopee doesn't have the wand, and I'm totally stuck. I can't go out. If I had to go out, I have to call my sister to come and fetch.
Where are you living now?
I'm in Seremban 2, sir.
Huh?
Seremban.
Oh, in Seremban 2. Seremban 2, Shopee got no ones? Shopee got no healing ones?
No, sir. I have checked the Shopee PVH official store. They have everything else, but other than the wand, it's not there.
Okay. Just close your eyes now.
Yes.
Close your eyes. Okay, what do you do now? You go and sleep today. You sleep today, you call me tomorrow morning. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. What else should I call you, sir?
You call me at about 9 o'clock. Let's go back and sleep. Don't worry about whatever happened. I just removed all the dark energy just now. Go to sleep now. You seem to have a very strong dark energy. Go to sleep. Call me tomorrow morning and we'll talk more freely. Okay?
Sure, sir. I'll do that.
Okay. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Good night.
Yes. I'm so sorry about today. I'm not able to take your call. Tell me what happened now. Are you okay? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well last night?
Not really, sir. I slept at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Why not really?
Last night. I couldn't sleep at all. I was awake, wide awake, and I only slept maybe like almost 4 something in the morning. I was constantly trying to sleep. It was just not happening, sir.
Okay.
And so again today I had interruption while watching during the class. All of a sudden, my daughter came to me with a fever now. with a high fever, and she's never stepped out from the house and everything. Every time I'm doing something, something is going wrong. I, and I'm very worried about her right now.
You see the blessing just now?
Yeah, during the blessing she came to me.
No,
but she was having her test.
No, did you sit down in the blessing just now?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
You have any prayer altar in the house or anything in the house?
I'm not really very I do have a Lord Shiva's picture in the house, but I'm not a person who can.
You have a
sit
lot
and
of pictures.
pray
What kind of pictures you have in the house?
No. Only one Lord Shiva's photo. Lord Shiva and his family. One image.
Okay, that's not a problem. But your house is pretty negative, Anything else you have? Books?
Not really.
Spiritual books?
Sorry, come again, please.
Spiritual books, whatsoever?
Spiritual books, no, I don't have any spiritual book with me. Nothing I have. I only have the Lord Shiva's picture because I just moved into this house. I came back with just my luggage from India. So I
What did you bring back from India?
What did I bring back from India was this Lord Shiva's picture with me, because this picture has been with me for almost 1.5 years. 1 year. Sorry, 1 year. So I just brought this picture image along back with me in my luggage.
Okay, nothing wrong with the picture, There's nothing there in the picture. It's empty. Nothing. Picture's nothing. Okay? But it's something in the house, something that you brought back from India. Okay, tell me. Did somebody give you something?
Somebody did give me something, but I have left everything there under the tree and came in front of the airport because I didn't want it to carry along with me. I didn't start feeling.
What they gave you?
It was a shivling. It was a Rudraksh mala. They say you do the mantra every day and you'll be fine. So these were the two things that they gave me to carry along, and I left it there and came. I didn't ever use the Rudraksh mala or anything. When they gave me, I just... Sorry?
Who gave you?
He was a known person there, staying in the same apartment in the building. He came across, I was staying alone, so I spoke to him and his wife on the problems that I was facing over there because I was totally left alone. So they said they would help me out, and then he went and saw somebody, but he did not inform me who he was seeing, what he was seeing about. He just said that people have given you this to bring back. So I just kept it, but since it was the idol of Shivling and the thing, so I said it's an idol of God. I didn't want to disrespect. I kept it, but when I was coming back to Malaysia, I just left it under the people tree in India near the airport. I saw the holy tree there, and I just left it under the tree and came. I apologized, and I just left it over there.
Why you apologize?
I felt guilty because I don't know what it is. It was an image of a god, but because it's a shivling, right? So that is the whole reason I apologize. I'm scared, sir. I've been through a lot already, sir.
Okay, something is wrong in your house. Something is following you all. It doesn't want to go that easily.
So what can I do? So how can I figure things out? And I just don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Where's your daughter now?
My daughter is in the other room.
Can you go together with her?
Sure, sir. I'll just go right now.
You're with her now?
Yes, I am.
Both of you just close your eyes and start. You have the affirmation with you all?
No, I haven't taken my laptop. I'll bring my laptop right now. I shall leave the iPad aside. Yes, sir. So spiritual or the forgiveness?
Forgiveness, yeah.
Forgiveness. Yes, sir. I have it in front of me.
Just open it up and just both of you look at it. Close your eyes and just look at it, okay? You know what I mean?
Okay.
Put the laptop open.
Just
close your eyes and just look at it. And deep inside you,
look here,
both of you say, please forgive me if I've knowingly or unknowingly hurt anyone in this lifetime and lifetime before this. Okay?
Yeah, and after and say, forgive me,
Please forgive me
please forgive me,
and my daughter.
and please forgive me and
And
my daughter.
if you have knowingly or unknowingly hurt anyone in any way in this lifetime or lifetime before this,
Sure, if I have, please
knowingly
forgive me and my daughter if I have knowingly or unknowingly hurt
hurt anyone
anyone
in this
in my
lifetime,
present, in this lifetime, or
lifetime
my
before
past
this.
life.
Yeah, just keep on quietly, do it in your mind. Okay, just do it in your heart. Okay,
Yeah.
start now, both of you. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
So what you guys need to do? Do divine fire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day.
Divine fire, 5 times.
Morning, you do divine fire for yourself, do divine fire for your soul. I'm being a divine fire, I am my soul, so soul, divine fire, my soul. Both of you must do separately, okay? You can do it together,
Yes, sir.
but both of you must do for yourself. 1. Next, read I am light. Read affirmation page number 1, page number 6 to all my ex-husband's family, to my ex-husband and his family, and whomever who's not happy to me because of me, my family and my business.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
You must read forgiveness, okay? Remember, do divine fire for yourself, do the I am and I am light. And then whenever you can, get involved and go to the sun and get a sun prana.
Sure, sir.
In fact, it's one of the thing I've shared with everybody. I'll add you to a group.
Okay. Sure, sir.
You call it a PVH Blessing Malaysia group. I'll add you in that group. You send me a WhatsApp, your name, so I can put it inside, okay?
Sure, sir, I will do it.
So WhatsApp and WhatsApp message will come to you, then you can follow. In one of the messages, it tells you how to receive prana from the sun to heal yourself.
Okay, sir. I will send you from my Indian number. I have WhatsApp on my Indian number.
Indian number ka?
Yeah, my WhatsApp is on Indian number, sir.
Your number now, you can't have WhatsApp here on this number.
This one not yet, sir, because I've not activated it. I have limited space for WhatsApp. I can't close that number because I'm expecting and hoping and praying for some jobs from India.
So you start doing a divine fire for your job. My new job is a job of divine fire. My new job is a purity goddess. You must start doing that. Understand?
Okay, sir.
My money is the money of divine fire. My money is, you must do all of these things. Then the money will come.
Okay, sir.
Money is good. Money is super, super good. Everybody needs money. I need money. You know, my family needs money. The whole world needs money. You must say that. Giving is receiving, and you start doing that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, all looks fine now. Let's see what happens. And call me back tomorrow.
Sure, sir. Sir, can I just have a few questions, sir?
Yes.
If it's okay. Sir, since I have shared, right, I've been facing trouble since my childhood. I can't speak with my daughter. I'm just moving aside from her. I've been facing a lot of trouble since.
Whatever happened childhood, forget it. It's gone.
Okay. Well, I feel like something is not right in the house because even my
all has been
sister,
removed. Everything has been removed.
Okay, sir. Sir, and
now you got to keep
my
it clean and not allow them to come. That's why you do the divine fire and forgiveness on.
Sure, sir. Sure. So I was just, I also wanted to ask this one question very importantly about my present life right now. Because my work was linked and is still linked with my boyfriend who I have introduced to my family. Actually, I have been cheated quite a number of times already.
By him or somebody else?
I had 2 boyfriends before him, and both of the time was a serious matter. We almost got married, and 5 times we just sent in documents for registration. Just on the very morning of court marriage, 5 times the marriage was called off.
Now these are the blocks that you had. Now you have no blocks.
Okay, sir, but how can I mean, I don't know how to reach him. I don't know how to solve my problems because even my work, my family life, my
Does he know
life,
your number? Does he know your WhatsApp number, your numbers?
Yes,
or does
sir,
he have?
he knows all my numbers.
Okay.
That's one of the reasons I've not changed my number of India until now.
Okay. No problem. You start doing divine fire for that person. Read forgiveness, page number 7. Page number 7, whoever is blocking your marriage, blocking your business. And read page number 4 for that person. If you still want him to be a husband, page number 4.
Page number 4, sir. Sure, sir, I will do that. So I have to read that twice a day?
All that you do 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day. Morning, afternoon, evening, before you sleep.
Sure, sir. So my daughter will be fine now. Her fever is anything of to be concerned about?
Think of a daughter? No, I don't think she'll be fine. Tell me tomorrow morning how she feels.
Yes, sir, I will keep you posted. So I'll update you at 9 o'clock in the morning, sir.
Yeah.
So how can I get the wand? So I really want the wand and I need the affirmation book. How can I purchase it, sir?
You go to Shopee, you can buy from Shopee.
The wand is not there in the Shopee, sir. I have checked already.
Oh, wait. Okay, let me then call them. I'll tell them to put. They should be putting it there, no?
Yes,
They
I
should by
really
now.
need that, yeah.
No, man. I'll talk to them. Okay? I'll see what I can do.
Yes,
Okay?
thank you
Okay.
very much, sir.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm a little late.
No problem. No worries. Tell me how things.
So I did sleep last night, but towards the morning I was like I was falling sick again.
Falling
My
sick how?
daughter-
Falling sick how?
Actually, from many months back, or maybe a year now, when I sleep, right, when I'm falling asleep, I would get up grasping for air. Like I can't breathe, like my heart is stopping to beat, like that. But I've checked with all those doctors and they say I got nothing wrong with me and all those things. So,
Because
but
they
this
say that,
morning-
madam, because it's not a medical thing. You understand?
Yeah.
They cannot diagnose. How will a doctor diagnose? They touch you, they check for temperature, they check your heart, the heartbeat, check the lungs for flu or whatever it is. The basic things. They can't check a kidney with a stethoscope.
Yes, sir.
The blood beat, and then they'll take the blood sample, they will send it to the lab. The lab will come and tell you, okay, white blood cell is too much, or red blood cell no much platelets, and then they treat it accordingly. See, today we have all these tests, madam. 50 years ago, there was no blood test also available to everybody.
Yes, sir, I agree, sir.
So they cannot find this occult energy coming to you. This is what we call dark energy coming to you, and medically they cannot find anything.
Yes, sir. I understand this, though, because I realized every day, right, when I'm sleeping, I'm struggling until 4:30.
Yeah.
After
So
that, I
that's
get
because something is disturbing you.
Yeah,
In
this
fact,
been
I just
happening to me quite
talked to a young lady. She's married for 9 years, and husband left her, not coming, wanted child only. Her private part is getting hurt, madam.
Oh,
Invisible souls are coming and making love to her, having sex with her.
oh my God.
Can you imagine? Her private part is all getting hurt. So this is what I'm trying to say. Sometimes we cannot understand the occult world. The medical field don't want to accept this.
Yes, sir.
Even you go to a psychiatrist, madam, they don't believe in having a soul. So very sad.
Yeah.
It's very sad. But these are the souls happening. So, if you say that the person is getting some kind of a dream and all, okay, you can say, it's something to do with the mind, the brain. But what if they get physical issues? Physically, they're getting issues,
Yes, sir.
Sometimes they get scratches. Is it self-mutilation? They want to scratch themselves, or scratch just appearing like that?
It can't just happen all of a sudden with no reason.
Yes, and
There must be
it's
some
at the
reason.
back of the body, so she can't even reach the back. Why should she scratch herself and no? So now this lady, whenever there's a scratch, she knows something's visiting her.
Oh.
She
I
usually
do
does
get
not.
bruises on my body.
Say
I
again?
get bruises. Bruises.
exactly.
I used to get bruises.
Exactly.
Like when I came back to Malaysia. So I have one thing I am very, very sure. The moment I come back to Malaysia, I've not been back to Malaysia for 1.5 years continuously. So this time again, because I have noticed whenever I come back to Malaysia, the first first day itself will be start. My problem will start.
You see, you must understand. Your first husband, where was he?
He was in Malaysia. Then he moved to India. Even then also I was facing problem in Malaysia. Then he came back to Malaysia. Now he is in Malaysia somewhere.
So his
That's
family,
what I know.
his family is here.
He's here.
You see, now you are married, he becomes an ex-husband. But remember, the child is still a connection to their family, no?
Uh-huh.
You see, there's no child is dead and gone and finished and gone. You understand?
Yeah.
Even if he remarries, he has to sacrifice. Oh, you have a child. Oh, that means there's still connection and all things will go wrong. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
They will say, Parapula. They say, oh, my grandchild. Oh, we must go see our grandchild. Sometimes they will find some way to get the child away from the mother. To show the mother is crazy or stupid or something like that, screaming and shouting, So they would do. The lawyers are very good, you know. There was one lady, they got married, you know, and both the doctors, you know, and after delivering baby, they were fine. She went and stayed in the mother-in-law's for 2 months. Within 2 weeks, she came back screaming, shouting, now divorced. The husband was finding so many ways to make her scream and shout, you know, so that he can show the court that this woman is crazy and he wants his child, you know. They provoke the mother to scream and shout and find ways that she's not a good mother, you know.
Mhm.
So because they want a
Actually, I
child.
can relate because even my daughter has not seen the father, and they don't bother also. Even though she's in trouble, nobody comes and sees her. The father is totally a disconnect from us and her. She's not even recognized him, you know. So, but then I have noticed this time around, because I am going through a lot of anxiety and I'm a depression patient as well. So, but then I have decided not to take any sort of medication. I'm fighting with it within me, you know.
No,
Like
that's
whenever
good.
I have
That's
this
good. But you must understand
suicidal.
about, you see, in order to fight, you must understand about occult energy.
Yes, sir.
That's what you're going through. And all the affirmations help, and sitting in the calendar, blessings and all will help you a lot.
Sure, sir. I'm continuously doing that. I'm trying to sit I will sit now anyhow for the classes every day.
Yeah, we have been having classes almost every day, you know, almost every day. Sometimes I feel just I'll take a break Saturday off, you know, that's all. So every day blessing, sit in the blessing, go through the whole thing. Like today, it's going to be question and answers. You see the kind of question people answers, you know, and you will see how we help.
So I have a question, sir. If let's say now I am battling with low BP, low BP all of a sudden.
How low?
When it goes to the one I went to 75 and 50, 56.
So remember, ladies have these issues about low BP, you know, ladies. Understand?
Yeah, I do have, but my generally low is 108 and 80 plus or 90 plus. But this
But
time
60s
after
are a
the
bit too low, yeah.
vaccination, this time after the vaccination, I got Pfizer. I got my second dose even on first. The first dose I was facing trouble. The second dose also I'm facing trouble.
But have you
How
recovered
can I
from the
help?
trouble? Have you recovered from the trouble?
Sorry?
Have you recovered from the trouble? Have you recovered?
Not really. I'm still like having salt and sugar
You need
mixture
the
in the
one.
house.
You need the one. You need the one. Okay. So let me find some way.
Sure. So, I had this thing in my head that I wanted to ask you. My daughter, sir, she is still having discomfort in her body since last night. She had fever, right, last night? So she's still facing discomfort, and immediately
How's the
after
fever?
fever is on the milder side.
No, yesterday we already healed her. Okay, we have deactivated the virus. Virus will cause a lot of discomfort and the body will slowly recover. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So don't worry too much
The
about
moment-
her. Ask her to go to the sun and receive the sun prana.
Sure. So the moment I hang up, right, that's when she started fighting with me again. She was shouting and she's very unsettled since then. Even this morning she got up. She did sit for her class, but she is not like, she's normally fighting with me. But then I can't explain, like the moment I hang up the phone, after a few moments, anything I say, it's a point for her to argue back with me. So
Yeah.
she's like constantly arguing.
That's how children are growing today. They know a lot.
Yeah,
They watch a lot of movies and they learn a lot from the movies.
Yeah. So actually, when you asked me yesterday, what did I bring back from India along with me? So I have my boyfriend's clothes are with me. His clothes are with me. And my clothes I brought back. I was just trying to recall what did I bring back. His clothes, my work stuff. And most of it, that was about it. All my work stuff, my homes, my books, my books. His clothes were the one who was and I still use those clothes. I still have his clothes. And the things that he has given me, you know, like the memories of
Is he a
whatever
married
he has
man? Is he a married man?
So he was married, and now his ex has come back. His wife has come back.
Then the whole trouble will start, lah.
Yeah, the whole trouble started then. And then the first day when I fall
But he
extremely
got separated
sick,
from her, or?
they were staying separately, and he has been very clear to me, sir, that he had 2 children. I know him from 6 years actually. 6 years long I know him. Then we were only business associates, and I was only his business associate. About 3 years back, he approached me for this whole, moving ahead personally in going towards a marriage. And I went to his house. Even his ex was very much knowing that we were doing. They were literally living in the same building but different houses. Okay? I went to their house, and actually the ex-wife is not, I can't say ex right now. She is also a part of his business.
That's the whole trouble, madam.
Yeah. So now in 2 years, actually he's not very much a marketing of a person. So he's just a person who can instruct and get on the manufacturing part. So, and then the wife's family, when they got married initially, they have invested all the money into the business. So then the business was dying. So when I went over there in 2 years, actually for the past 4 years, I was growing the business for him as a distributor, sole distributor around the world. So I have given him quite a good business, and in 2017 to 2019, 2007 to 2019, also mid of 2020, he was secretly still not informing anybody that I was still doing things for him work-wise, and he actually grew much more folds in India, where everybody started recognizing. I started marketing him as an individual very well. Business has grown so much, developed the entire new brand of cosmetic that you can also eat. So that's all my creation for his. So, I mean, I've done a lot, and his company really grew. I was supposed to be a 22% partnership in the thing and everything. But when the company started growing, and I was literally handling all 3 brands which he owns and leading them in whole in all the countries that he was going, and even the manufacturing factory, I was like leading everything. And basically, I was running the whole show, running it, everything. And when the business started growing, sir, she knew that. She just came back, whatever it was in her head, I can't know. She came back and she started creating a lot of problems between the staff and me. But I was having a lot of patience. I was just ignoring. For me, it was me, my future, my daughter's future, and me and my daughter. So, and then he got his son involved into it, and he got her side of the family involved into this. And I was pregnant at that time without knowing I was. And
with his child?
Yes. And I had no choice, and I was forced to go and I got a DNC done when I was in the 3rd month. So it was not very, very discomfort for me. I was literally, whatever I've gone through I cannot explain, and then many things would happen. She has done a lot, and she took away his phones and everything, and she tried to really barricade him. And even because her side of the family, her brother is a white collar mafia. So he is totally giving, even Himanshu's friend was under his control, his wings. So he came and met me, and he met me in one of Himanshu's friend's office, and he told Himanshu, either you leave her or you leave my sister. I'm not asking you to just hear his statement. I'm not just asking you to throw her doodh mein se makhi. In India, they have a saying remove the fly from the milk and throw. You want to do anything, you can do for her, no problem. But make sure that my sister doesn't get hurt. So you better listen to what my sister says if you still want the company to be going on. So for him, he has worked he has really worked hard for the office in the factory. And then he was forced to transfer the whole company to the sister's name,
Whoa.
to his wife's name. And he had to do it because the initial funds was from it's a dowry from the girl's side. So he had to transfer. He's not even a legal owner of the company anymore and things like that. So since then, he came, he spoke to me, he speaks to me, spoke to me then. Last he spoke to me was July 12th, 2020. He came and saw me secretly because nobody knew where I stay, only he came and saw me. So I used to literally, we shared a very strong bond. I could sense and feel him, even though he's not there next to me, things like that. And we spoke, and he was in tears and things like that. I don't know how to explain, because every time I think about it, if normal people, they will say he cheated you. But if he cheated me, he will, I don't know. Only thing he told me is like, an army stays far away to go to the borders and fight. That doesn't mean their bond gets, broken. We will work things out. And after that, things got even more worse the day. And then he spoke to me once, the last form in July, he spoke to me in September once. And after that, whenever I call him, the lady is picking up the phone. And what I got from the office, that she has took him out from that office, put in another office. They rented another office in the same vicinity. And most of the time, she's there around, and the phone is under her control. His emails, his SPA, everything is under her control. And she's told everybody in the office, because everybody in the office didn't like her. And she has told them, I'm the boss. Whoever speaks to Malvinder, they will lose their job during 2020 lockdown. So everybody has literally cut off away from me. She's smart in her played her cards really well. And I'm still waiting, sir. I've not even done, I've always believed that I need to do a first year prayer for my child with no more. I feel guilty, but
How old is this guy?
He is 42, if I'm not mistaken. So I can't remember exactly anymore.
So when the wife is involved, you're not going to get anything?
If he will not get anything. I told him we don't need anything. I'm smart enough. You're smart enough. We can always do things together and set up new things. And it is not a difficult task, sir. But I know for Indian people from India, especially from Delhi, people, for them, the reputation is money is very important. And he said, I have worked very hard for it. So, I don't know, sir, this is what's happening. And that day when I fell sick last month, major sick, first day I started with low BP. I had history of low BP, but I was not going through it. After about 12, or on the 12th or on the 16th, I dreamt of Himanshu bleeding. Okay, and I got up in shock. I could feel him grabbing my hand in my sleep. I could hear his sound. Everything was so real. And I got up, and that was it was on the 7th, because it was one day before my dad's death anniversary. And that whole day went very unwell, and it all started majorly from that day, that I'm facing so much of trouble in this new house. That was the day I dreamt of him.
Okay, don't worry, all the black magic is gone on you. Okay, your family, you have to move on. Start doing divine fire for yourself. Start doing divine fire for your new job or new venture. My new business venture, divine fire. My new business venture is purity God. Start doing all of these things, okay? Don't trust anybody, okay? Once all these Indian wives come back, they are all vicious. They will not let anything go out.
Okay.
His mistake was to even give the company to her. Nothing is going to move out of him. He cannot. He's a puppet now.
Sorry, I didn't get. I lost your voice, sir.
He's like a puppet now. He just listens, or he'll lose everything.
Yeah, he's a puppet now. So I don't want him to bring anything. I just want.
I understand. But he's like a puppet. Unless you divorce her and let everything go and come, will he be able to do that? Would he want to do that?
Sorry, come again.
Would he want to do that? Would he want to let everything go and come?
If he wanted to, he will not be waiting there for so long. I don't know what he's waiting for.
Mm.
And I literally lost my reputation in the whole Indian market, sir. Everywhere I'm looking.
You start doing divine fire, things will start to work, okay? Listen to me. Start doing divine fire. Things will
So
start
what
to
can I read for him, sir?
You do divine fire for yourself. I'm being a divine fire. I'm
Divine
with you.
fire.
You do for yourself. Leave him alone for a while. You take care of yourself first.
Sure, sir.
Forget about all of these. You take care of yourself. Yourself is more important now. Understand?
Yes, sir. I have to do divine fire and forgiveness and everything, like what you told me yesterday.
Yes, you do your stuff and you move on. You have a child to take care.
Sorry, sir. Yes. Okay, sir.
You have a child to take care.
Yes, sir. I'm focusing fully on her right now, but I'm also trying to rectify a lot of things because the work is stuck and my work is there. And I don't know, it's just become too much of a clutter. I have to go back to India one Sunday, and I wish to go back because that's where all the materials are for cosmetics. In Malaysia, there's nothing much for me to do. So the moment I go back, what do I do, you know? So I need to declutter everything, sir. But so far, my focus is health, my health, and my daughter's well-being for now. I can't survive like this for long. I have to start something. I have to do something.
It's okay. You start first. You start. Don't worry about all things. You do divine fire. There's no more dark energy whatsoever with you or your daughter right now. So
Sure,
start
sir.
doing the right thing. Okay?
Sure, sir. So yesterday you told me to message you to get access into a group. I WhatsApped you from my Indian number already.
Okay. I'll do that. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day.
Bye.